Hey guys, welcome to Total Evelyn. I am having lunch out on St Andrew's Square today in a beautiful, glorious sunshine, which is very unusual for Edinburgh, so we have to take advantage when we get the sun. Decided that I'd bring my lunch. I've got all my lunch in this bag, so I'm about to eat, and then I'm going to take you somewhere else. So join me after the break because it's all about the lip gloss today. I'll see you soon. Subscribe, like and share. Finished my lunch in good timing because I've got 20 minutes before I go over to my favourite shop. You're about to say my favourite shop is all my favourite shops. So I'm going over to Harvey Nichols because I want to get my lip gloss, HudaBeauty. Come with me. It's like I'm in a sweetie shop. This is my absolute favourite. Now so this is HudaBeauty, and before I used to have to order online because they never ever sold it, so they only got this here about 2 or 3 months ago. So you imagine my surprise when I've been ordering online or buying this product when I'm in France or when I'm abroad in Marbella. That's the only time I could get it, and it always stocked up. So now they have it here on my doorstep. So I'm excited, but I don't have time to buy too much today. I'll purchase my very first and my very best lip gloss. I'm going to tell you, this is the best one that you will ever buy, guys, honestly. Right, I think it's called Snobby. It's this one. This is the best one in the range, right? This is a lip gloss. I'm not going to try it on because, as you can see, it's my favourite. I've got on all the time. It's in my bag, in fact. I don't want to get it done for shoplifting, but I want to show you how much of this I go through in 1 week, right? This is mine. This is the one. This is coming with me, baby. Okay, let's buy this one. But while we're here, the lipsticks are very good as well. I've had this one, which is called Honeymoon, and it's really matte. It's a really matte one. Don't want to try them on, but maybe the girl will give me a bit of a cotton bud I can try a bit on later. So let me see. So that's beautiful. Now I've not tried, the palettes look beautiful as well. I've never tried the palettes. These look stunning. Not tried these yet. If they're anything like these, then I think I'll need a wee taster of them as well. Right, so this is the mattes. Well, that's a dark one. It's not a matte, it's a gloss. Beautiful. This, I know this one. I can't remember the name of it. Oh yeah, I do now. It's called Boy Collector. Good name. And it's really good. It stays on quite a bit. It's quite matte, but also it's a bit glossy, so it's two-toned, you see? It's really beautiful. That, guys, is luxurious. Beautiful. Not expensive either. These are only £17. Now, they're a lot cheaper than some of these places in here. I should really say that, but I'm going to buy this one anyway for starters. And let's see, we'll have a little look round and see what else there is. Maybe the foundations are meant to be quite good as well, but as usual, Ev, we're known for a foundation. Stick to what you've got. You've got 20 minutes from your lunch, and maybe I'll just buy this one. Okay, guys, I'll take this one. It's a Snobby one.
Fabulous.
So the other thing that was good about when you buy a lip gloss here, then they will give me a little sheet, and it'll tell me all the colours, and I'll have a little sample. So for every single shade that they've got in HudaBeauty, then you'll be able to just take a cotton bud and sample each one. So next time you come back, you'll buy whatever you want. That's how I got to know Boy Collector. That's great.
Need a bag today?
Yes, please, thank you. Time for a coffee. I can't do much damage. I can't do any more damage because I've only got now 10 minutes. I'll have a quick coffee and then go. happy with my purchase. And, you know, you can't come to Harvey Nichols and not get yourself a nice coffee and really enjoy the view. So I'm going to pop a bit of sugar. Well, I don't want white sugar. I want brown sugar. Oh, typical. The sugar's got to be at the very bottom. Why is everything so delicate? I just want to put my hands in there and grab it, but one bit of sugar. I don't know about you, but you need 2 bits, you see. So I don't like white sugar. Harvey Nichols, you really need to get a bigger bowl, honestly. For the money that I spend in here, bigger bowl is required. Anyway, let's get back to what I bought. Right, I'm just still wait on that melting. Right, so as I'm saying, it's all nice buying a lip gloss in a 5p bag, which is a bonny little bag, isn't it, for 5p? I don't mind spending 5p on a bag that looks like that. And then you get the gift. So this is how it comes. It's all packaged up. Doesn't that look inviting? Okay. Now what I really like about it, and I probably didn't mention when I was downstairs, was it's got all these little micro, what do you call them? Like microfibers. That's called what you call it, but pigments, micro pigments, that's what you call it. So it's a bit silly putting it all on when I'm going to drink coffee, but just so you can see, especially when it's sunny. Luscious lips. I'm all Harvey Nichols today because these glasses I've got on are Harvey Nichols too. And you get the exact same bag whether you buy glasses or a lip gloss. It's just really nice. Is that on? Nice. So yeah, it might not be your colour, but I'll tell you something. I have already recommended this to 5 of my friends, and every time we're out, if one of us leaves our snobby lip gloss, then we're going into each other's bag to try and rummage their bag and say, give me that snobby, because it's so addictive. Once you start buying snobby, then you'll never go back. And actually, I am risking telling you this because there might become a time when I try and come into Harvey Nichols to buy my snobby and you'll have already purchased it. So anyway, please guys, if you do purchase HudaBeauty, and I must confess, I'm not in any partnership with Huda. I'm just telling you because I like you and I want you to get the benefits that I get as well. But listen, if you are enjoying the HudaBeauty or you're enjoying my videos, then please let me know. Just drop a little comment in the box below. And right now I've got these books actually that I was going to talk about. Well, that's the new product she was telling me, so I'm going to really enjoy reading all this. She was just telling me about an eyeliner, which sounds really interesting to me as well. And you could spend a fortune here, but it is lunchtime and I'm supposed to be working, and I'm supposed to really get back now because my 20 minutes is up. But then again, who's the boss? Me! Being self-employed is quite good, but actually you've got to be quite disciplined as well. Right, enough of me chatting. I'm going to go now, guys. Until the next vlog, thank you so much for watching, and enjoy your sunshine if you're in Edinburgh, and just drop a comment, as I said, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Thank you so much. Bye, take care.